Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Sorry about yesterday. I had to totally reload all of my software and everything that I do the webcasts on. It just couldn't upload. I don't know why, but it's working now. Okay, so what do we have? Well, yesterday was a fairly boring day, but it was a boring day with an upside bias. When we tested 44 last week and we had that up day after making those matching lows at 32, I told you guys that the target was the middle band on the daily chart because that's what markets do. We trade, we break, we ride the lower band, then we stay inside of the bands for an entire day, and then we go on up and we test the middle band. So nice 3-day rally. Here's the thing. It's not stopping. And I had indicated that middle band was basically high noon. That was where the market was going to decide. Do the bears want to be in control? Is it going to be a test of middle band that fails and we come back down and make a lower low, in which case the bears, could go to work on some of these lower levels like the 200-day exponential moving average? Or is it going to be like we've seen so many times during the course of this uptrend, which is every time we go back to test the middle band, the bears just give it up, they walk away, and the bulls have their way and we go and make new highs. Well, unless something drastic changes, that's exactly what we're going to do today. The big wild card in all of this is Janet Yellen. She testifies today, does the Humphrey Hawkins testimony. I think her statement comes out of the embargo at 8:30 and her testimony is at 10. So those are a couple of key times to be watching out for in the market. Who knows how she's going to do? Nobody knew how Bernanke was going to do in these things. So there's a certain level of uncertainty. That level of uncertainty is just about all the bears have right now because they are out of answers. They are out of answers and they are out of excuses above the green line. So we've traded as high as 04.5. The middle band sits at 95.35. I would expect a test of that area to see, in the regular session, to see if it wants to be support. If it wants to be support, then the bulls, maybe we consolidate here for a couple of days, but then the bulls have plenty of strength to go ahead and make new highs, to take out the upper band, to trade to the upper band. Ride the lower band, break through the middle band, turn the middle band in resistance, and then go touch the upper band. That's how the E-mini trades. Do I talk to you guys about the same thing? Yeah, I do. You know why? Because that's how the E-mini trades. That's how it trades. So, whether you're a subscriber of mine or not, we had this one for you. We just did the up to the middle band, and now I'm telling you, if middle band holds the support, we're not done going up. Now, if something comes out of Yellen's mouth today that is very bad for the markets, then look, if this turns out to be a topping tail with a big red body below it by the end of the day, then the bears have something to build on. So today is not the day to be loading up. Loading up was 2 days ago when I said we were going to middle band. Today is not the day to be loading up. Today is the day to watch and see what this middle band test is all about. Is it about higher or is it about lower? And we won't know until after her testimony, and we'll have to see how we trade into it and trade during it and trade for the balance of the day. This is a much more important day for the bears than it is for the bulls. As it stands, the bulls have already traded over the middle band. They're coming off a 70 plus handle rally, and they have earned a little bit of a rest. The bears must assert themselves, or they're going to lose control of the tape more than they've already lost control of the tape. This really needed to be a definitive lower high in this area, and they didn't get it. And now we're up over the top, so they're in trouble. Okay, everybody have a great day. Follow me on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come take a free trial. A lot of people are, and they're liking what they see. Come trade this stuff with us, and we would love to meet you. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.